This is a MESTEK ST06 GFCI outlet tester. I got it because sometimes my voices can try to power the outlets, and this way I test the outlet to see if it works and powers correctly. Here's how you test it with the MESTEK tester power adapter. You plug it in, push power. It says 121 volts. You can test it for grounding and issues. 60 seconds. It gives you a green light when it is working correctly. And it tells you how it looks. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you like this video. If you don't like this video, don't click like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.